Hi students, welcome back to my channel Get in Bio World. If you like my videos, please like करें, share करें और subscribe करें. So students, in our previous video, we already learned about lesson chapter 18 body fluids and circulation, and our today's topic is RH grouping. And in this RH grouping, we will see what is RH group and detail about RH group. And now this is an antigen. RH grouping is RH is a antigen, and this antigen RH antigen similar to one present in rhesus monkeys, hence is called as RH. First of all, it is found in rhesus monkey. Which monkey? Rhesus monkey, and that's why it named as a RH group. It is also observed on the surface of RBCs of majority, nearly 80% of human beings. 80% of human beings RBCs contain these RH groups, and such individuals are called as the RH positive individual, and those in whom the antigen is absent is called as the RH negative. See, in 80% of individual consists this RH group, hence this presence of the RH group is called as the RH positive, and means presence of RH, presence of the RH, and the RH negative means absence of this antigen of the RH antigen. Understand all of you? And this presence or absence is means RH positive, RH negative individual, and RH negative person, if exposed to RH blood, positive blood, will form a specific antibodies against the RH antigen. If these RH positive person or individual blood then mix with this RH negative person or individual, then it causes the specific antibodies in the blood. क्या फॉर्म हो जाएगा? स्पेसिफिक antibodies form when both these blood is get mixed, then specific antibodies is formed. Therefore RH group should be matched before transfusion. इसलिए क्या होता है, RH group जो होता है is first of all matched before transfusion. Before transfusion, the RH group is matched. To avoid this formation, a special case of these RH incompatibility mismatching have been observed between the RH negative blood of the pregnant mother with RH positive blood of the fetus. First of all, a specific example is given here. Mother of RH negative, ये mother है, this is RH negative, and this is the fetus which is RH positive. This is the RH positive fetus. Understand? By this example we will understand RH negative of the fetus do not expose to the RH negative of the blood of the mother. In first pregnancy, the RH antigen of the fetus and RH negative mother blood, these two bloods, RH positive blood and the RH negative blood, these two bloods are separated by the placenta, are separated by placenta. these two blood are get separated by the placenta. However, during the delivery of the first child, there is possibility of exposure of the maternal blood to the small amount of the Rh positive blood from the fetus. Before pregnancy, before delivery, the both bloods are mismatched due to the separation of the placenta. But after the delivery, during this delivery, the child's blood possibility of exposure due the possibility है, कौन सी possibility है? Exposure of the fetus blood to maternal blood. Due to this possibility, or in such cases, the mother start preparing the antibodies, and this mother start क्या हो जाएगा? Mother start antibodies preparation, antibodies preparing. Mothers क्या start करेगा? Preparing the antibodies inside the blood against the Rh antigen, against the Rh antigen, against the Rh antigen in her blood. In cases of her subsequent pregnancy, the Rh antigen antibodies from the mother and Rh negative can leak into the blood of the fetus, Rh positive, and destroy the fetal RBCs. In the first pregnancy, see here, inside the first pregnancy, the Rh negative mother and the Rh positive fetus can separate these two blood by the और with the help of this placenta, और दोनों का mixing नहीं होगा इधर. And during the delivery time, it's a possibility of mixing the exposure of the fetus Rh positive to the maternal blood which is Rh negative. These both blood get mixed, and that's why the mother start preparing the antibody against the Rh antigen, and this happen. And now in second pregnancy, the child which is fetal or the fetus causes the anemia. Why? Because the Rh antibodies from the mother can leak into the blood of these Rh positive. Rh negative जो मदर का रहेगा वो किधर लीक हो जाएगा? Rh positive fetal में, and due to this they destroy the RBCs of the fetus. fetus के RBCs क्या हो जाएंगे? Destroy. And due to this, the fetus causes the severe anemia. That's why the severe anemia or jaundice to the baby. This condition is called as the erythroblastosis fetalis, and this condition is called as the erythroblastosis fetalis. And to avoid this condition, that's why the administrating the Rh antigen bodies to the mother immediately after the delivery of the first child. After the delivery of the first child, in mother's body inject the anti-Rh antibodies. That's why these conditions of the second baby is get avoided. Erythroblastosis fetalis, this condition is avoided by injecting the administering or anti-Rh antibodies when the first child is get delivered. Understand all of you?